Can you please mute your device, children? Please mute your device.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Faisa, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Faisa, ma'am.
Okay.
Faisa, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Today is my mother's birthday.
Okay. Say my happy birthday wishes to your mom. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So once again, a warm good morning to all. We have started. Okay? All of you had your breakfast? Had your breakfast? Tell me. How are you all? Fine. Give me a thumbs up. Ameya, you are in the chat box. Give me thumbs up. Achyut, switch on your video. I cannot see your face. Achyut, switch on your video. Sri Rugda, please stop talking.
Very good.
I hope everybody have joined to the class.
Ma'am, good morning to ma'am.
Eris, please mute your device. Yes. So we have already started the new lesson, composition of air. Do you remember, children?
Ma'am, I cannot
Yes,
see
ma'am.
you.
Who is that? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Then who said,
Ma'am, I cannot see you.
who is that? Maybe your connection issue. All the others can see me very well now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen,
Ma'am, now I can see.
let me tell you one thing. Please be quiet. So we have started the new lesson, composition of air, in the previous class. Today we are going to continue the same. Okay, in the previous class we have learned about air is all around us. Even in the room where you are sitting, full of air. But we cannot see the air. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
We cannot taste the air, we cannot smell the air unless it is dirty, but we can feel the air when it blows, when it moves, like when the wind blows. We can even hear the sound of the air when the air
Yes.
moves very fast.
Ma'am?
And air, can you please listen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Air can give shape to the things. We can fill many things with air, and air has weight. Like all the living things need air to breathe. Not only for the human beings, animals need to breathe in air, and plants also need to breathe in air. We have discussed many points in the previous class. And air is the mixture of different gases. Do you remember? Do you remember the point? Air is a mixture of different gases. What are the three main gases present in the air? Who can tell me? The three main gases present in the air. tell me? Yeah? Yes, Niharika? Tell me, do you remember the three main gases present in the air?
Ma'am.
Can you hear me, children?
Ma'am.
Yes.
UN.
What are the three main gases present in the air?
Ma'am, UN can tell.
Yes, you can tell me.
Oxygen,
Oxygen,
carbon dioxide,
carbon dioxide,
nitrogen.
nitrogen are the three main gases present in the air. Air is the mixture of different gases, and we have discussed about what are gases. Gases are the substances that can move around freely, and we have learned the three main gases present in the air: oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. Air is mostly made up of oxygen and nitrogen. Carbon dioxide and some other gases are present in the air a smaller amount. In a smaller amount. Air also contains water vapor and the dust. As we have learnt in forms of water, we know that when the heat of the sun changes all the water bodies, all the water in the water bodies into water vapor. That water vapor also we can present. That also present in the air. And there is some dust also present in the air. Clean air, if the air is very clean, it does not have any smell or color. Once it gets dirty, we can smell it. One bad smell we can feel. Have you all understood this much? Anyway, we have explained all these points in the previous class. I will revise once again for you. Air is a mixture of different gases. We all know that all the living things need air to breathe. We need air to breathe. Animals need air to breathe. The plants also need air. It is a mixture of different gases. Okay? And what are gases? Gases are the substances that can move around freely. There are some gases present in the air. The three main gases present in the air are oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. I want someone else to say the answer. Where is other? Can you hear me? Where is he? Other, you can unmute other. Tell me the three main gases present in the air. What are the three main gases present in the air, other? Give me the answer. Yes. What are the three main gases present in the air?
I didn't hear the question.
You didn't get the question?
No.
What are the three main gases present in the air? As I told you in the previous class, air is the mixture of different gases. Gases are the substances which can move around freely. The three main, okay, let me ask the question to someone else. Catherine Lijo, tell me what are the three main gases in the air, present in the air?
Oxygen,
Very good.
carbon dioxide,
Yes.
nitrogen.
Nitrogen. Okay. Can you please close your book, everybody? Please close your book. Don't look into the book. Everybody listen. No worries. I will take the lesson once again. Other, please switch on the video. Your video is not on. Yes. Adidev, can you tell me what
And
are?
I will tell.
Tell me what are the three main gases?
Oxygen,
Okay.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. Name the gas which we need to breathe. We human beings and animals.
Oxygen.
Very good.
Oxygen.
Name the gas which the plant need to breathe.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
So do you remember all those points that we have discussed?
Yes.
Do you
Yes.
remember everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, once again I repeat the points. Once again I'll repeat for you. Air. We are learning the lesson composition of air. And why some are not looking so smart in ma'am's class? So dull today? Be happy. Be smart and be energetic in Visa ma'am's class. I want my smart ones in the class.
Ma'am.
Yes, what happened?
Ma'am, today we are right and studying.
Wait, let me teach first. We can learn first. We can see some videos. I brought some videos to you. I brought some pictures to you. Don't you want to watch all those things?
Yes.
Adu, are you in a hurry to write and study? Wait. And listen and study. Okay.
I don't have hurry.
Air is the mixture of different gases. Gases are the substances that can move around freely. Got it? And there are three main gases present in the air that are oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. Air is
And what is
mostly
this
made up of-
nitrogen?
It's a gas present in the air. Okay? Air is mostly made up of nitrogen and oxygen. What are the two gases mostly we can see present in the air?
Oxygen
And
and nitrogen.
carbon dioxide and some other gases are present in the air in a smaller amount.
Smaller amount.
Have you all understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Air
Yes, ma'am.
also contains water vapor and dust. Air also contains water vapor,
Water vapor
and
and
dust.
dust.
As I said, children, we all need air to breathe. Okay. Which gas we take in during our breathing process?
Oxygen.
Everyone take a deep breath. Deep breath. Then breathe out. Take a breath. Deep breath. Then breathe out. Then take it. Then breathe out. Take. Okay. Do you know, children, which gas, when we are breathing, name the gas. What is the name of the gas that we take in through our nose?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Which gas our body needs?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
When we breathe out, which gas we release into the air?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon
Carbon
dioxide.
dioxide.
Carbon
Say everybody,
dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon
Carbon
dioxide.
dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. One more time, let me say. When we are breathing, we all know that children, the breathing organs, which are the organs help us to breathe? We have learned in organs. Nose.
Nose.
Windpipe.
Lungs.
Lungs.
Help us to breathe. You all know that? So
Yes, ma'am.
when we take in the air, that when we, during our breathing process, which gas from the air we take into our body?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. When we breathe out, which gas we release into the air?
Carbon
Carbon
dioxide.
dioxide.
Very good. Have you all understood this much?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, let me tell you one thing. We need oxygen to breathe. All the animals need oxygen to breathe. And do you know, children, how a plant prepare its own food? You want to know how the plant prepare its own food? Do our mummy prepare food? Okay, come on, my mango tree. I will serve the food for you. Huh?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Your mummy will make food for you
They
only.
will cook.
Or she will prepare food for all plants in your surroundings.
No.
Oh.
Ma'am, plants will cook,
Yeah.
but we
Plants
can't.
itself, the plants prepare their own food. The plants
But
itself
we will
prepare
not see.
their own food. Have you got it, children?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
But we can't
it?
see.
Or do you think your mummy prepare food in the kitchen and she serve the food to hello mango tree? Eat something. Eat breakfast. Hello apple tree. Hello. Is it possible?
No.
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
So
our
plants.
mother not can climb our tree and give the food for the apples.
You are talking, baby. Keep quiet. Let me continue the session. Okay. Listen what ma'am is saying. Listen, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Mummy cannot prepare food for the plants. She's not. She's busy in kitchen for cooking food for us. Okay. And she's not serving the food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner to the plants in our surroundings. So, how? You want to know how a plant prepare its own food?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
With the help of the sunlight. Oh, if the plant need to prepare its own food, you know, children, for making sambar, our mummy needs all kind of vegetables. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Can
Yes.
you name some vegetables for preparing sambar?
Lady finger.
Potato, carrot,
Carrot,
Tomato.
carrot, tomato,
Tomato.
lady's finger, then
Please.
brinjal, beans.
orange,
There are many vegetables she need to prepare sambar.
curry
What
leaf.
is sambar? You know, sambar is my favorite.
Curry
My
leaf.
also. My also. I love sambar.
Ma'am, curry leaf.
Curry leaves also, definitely. Curry leaves also. That will give more taste to the food. Curry is okay. Yes, come to the point, children. Do you know what are the things a plant need to prepare its own food?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Needs sunlight. A plant needs sunlight.
Sunlight.
And a plant needs carbon dioxide present in the air. Carbon dioxide present in the air.
Air.
Which gas from the air the plant needs? Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Say everybody.
Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide.
Do you know, children, the root of a plant, the root of the plant absorb water and all the nutrients from the soil. Water and all the nutrients from the soil. With the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide present in the air, water and all the nutrients from the soil. The leaf of a plant prepare food for the whole plant. Have you got it?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, now tell me, which part of a plant is known as the kitchen of the plant?
Leaf.
Very good. Leaf. Which
Leaf.
part of a plant is known as the food factory of the plant?
Root.
Leaf.
Leaf.
Leaf is just like mummy. In our home,
Leaf is the mummy.
in our home, our mummy prepare food and she cook food in the kitchen. But in a plant, you know, which part of a plant prepare food for the whole plant? Leaf.
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 What all things a leaf needs?
Leaf.
Prepare its own food.
Leaf. 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 Sunlight.
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 And
Carbon dioxide
Carbon
present in
dioxide.
the air. Carbon dioxide.
Dioxide.
Carbon dioxide present in the air.
Present in the air.
Water and nutrients from the soil.
Water and nutrients from the soil.
The leaf of a plant prepare food for the whole plant.
The leaf of the plant prepare the food for the whole plant.
Who can tell me what are the things a plant needs to prepare its own food? I think, Hail Teresa, can you say? Unmute and say, what are the things a plant need to prepare its own food? Sunlight, very good. Now, I want someone else to say the next one. Yes, Niharika, say.
Water.
Water. Now, Ameya, tell me. Nutrients from the soil. Then, what is from the air? Other will say. No. He will say. Let he say. He was playing there with his headset. Other will tell me which gas the plant need from the air.
Carbon dioxide.
Okay, very good, very good. So well done, my little ones. So a leaf prepare food for the plant. Leaf is known as the kitchen of the plant. Leaf is known as the food factory of the plant. And you know, the plant prepare its own food. Which part of the plant prepare? Leaf. With the help of the sunlight. With the help of the sunlight.
The sunlight.
Carbon dioxide present in the air. Water and nutrients from the soil. The leaf of a plant prepare
food.
Food for the
whole plant.
You know, children, the process of preparing, the plants preparing its own food is known as photosynthesis. You know that? The process of preparing food. Plant itself preparing its own food. What is the name of that process you know? Photosynthesis. During this process, this plant preparing food process, the plants need carbon dioxide from the air and they take in all the plants, all the big trees and small plants. All the plants take in, they absorb carbon dioxide from the air. And what they release into the air? Oxygen. What they release into the air?
Oxygen.
What they need for making their food?
carbon
dioxide. Carbon dioxide.
Okay, name the gas which the plant need to prepare its own food.
Carbon dioxide.
During this plants preparing food, what they release into the air? Which gas they release into the air?
Oxygen.
Very good. During our breathing process, name the gas. Which is the gas we take into our body?
Oxygen.
What we release into the air?
Carbon dioxide.
Now tell me, if we cut down all the trees in the world, just imagine if there is no trees and plants in the world, what will happen?
We will not get
oxygen.
We will not get oxygen properly. Okay, do we get the fresh air?
No.
We need plants in our surroundings. We need plants in our surroundings. Then only we will get proper oxygen. Enough and more oxygen. Have you all understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do we supposed to cut down all the trees?
No.
No, never. Never. Don't cut the trees unnecessarily. If it is very urgent, it is harmful for us, okay, you can cut the tree, but don't forget to plant a new sapling. Have you all understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how do you feel the plants and the trees are needed for us?
Yes.
Yes. Do they provide oxygen to us?
Yes.
Give me a thumbs up. And
Yes.
today onwards, you have to plant more saplings. If anyone is cutting down the trees, you can hold their hand and say, "Hey, stop, man. Stop doing. Stop cutting the trees. Trees are good for us. Trees provide oxygen. And trees, they give us fruits, right? Shade. And trees provide shelter for the birds and animals. So are we supposed to cut down the trees?
No.
No, no, never, never. Okay. My children don't cut down any trees from your surroundings. If your parents are doing that, you have to say, "Hey, stop it. Stop cutting the trees." Will you say next time?
We will.
Why, the trees give us more oxygen. We need, name the gas that we need to breathe from the air. Which gas we need?
Oxygen.
Okay, which gas we send out, we release from our body?
Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide.
Okay, during their food preparing process, name the gas what the plant need.
Carbon dioxide.
They need carbon dioxide, and what they release into the air.
Oxygen.
Ma'am, I want
You all understood, children? Any doubt?
No.
Any
No,
doubt?
ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
something.
Should all of you?
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yeah, come on, ask.
Near our house, one man is cutting the tree.
Oh, if he cutting the tree unnecessarily, you can stop that man. Hey man, why you cut the trees? Trees are very good for our nature. Trees provide shelters to that animals and birds. Trees give us oxygen. They keep the air always fresh. Okay, give me a thumbs up. Yes, I know. My children will never cut down any trees. Now tell me one more time. What are the three main gases present in the air?
Oxygen. Carbon dioxide. Nitrogen. Nitrogen.
Very good. So, name the gas which we need to breathe.
Oxygen. Oxygen.
Okay. Name the gas which we release to the air.
Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide.
Name the gas that plant need to prepare its
Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide.
Okay. Name the gas that plant release into the
Oxygen.
air.
Oxygen.
Do we need to plant more saplings in our surroundings?
Yes.
Why? We will get more oxygen. Thank you. So I hope all of you understood the point thoroughly. And let me tell you one thing, children. Seriously, please listen.
Okay, ma'am.
Sometimes, the air gets filled with smoke and dust. The air gets filled with smoke and dust. Sometimes the smoke from the factories and smoke come from the vehicles on the road. We can see that. We can see that the air get polluted. The presence of such harmful substances in the air is called air pollution.
Air pollution. Air pollution.
Air pollution. The presence of such harmful substances. Oh, I'll share some pictures to you. You can watch the picture.
Ma'am, when the pollution
Watch the
comes,
picture.
the water will go.
See? Smoke from the factories. The air get filled with smoke and dust. That will create air pollution. The presence of such harmful substances in the air is called air pollution. You can see the dark color air. See the smoke from the factories.
Ma'am, when the pollution comes, the water all get dirty.
Yeah, that is water pollution. Now our topic is air pollution. See the smoke coming out from this vehicle on the road.
When we will start the vehicle, the air will come.
Okay, just imagine when we breathe these dirty air into our body may get infected. Our lungs may get problem, many lung diseases and cancer and bronchitis, asthma. Okay, that is
Okay, ma'am.
okay. We have to keep our air always clean and neat. Our air should not be polluted. See the vehicle. Now, you can see the smoke coming out from the car. See, burning firewood. That also gives a smoke into the air. That also release some smoke into the air. That also will create air pollution. And when we breathe this polluted air, that may damage our lungs and causes skin diseases, many types of asthma and cancer, the deadly disease cancer. See, burning firewood and burning plastics and see the kerosene lamp. This also will create air pollution. The smoke from the kerosene lamp, that also create air pollution.
That is harmful to environment.
Harmful to the environment, harmful. Definitely that is harmful to the environment. Have you all understood? And what about, do you, how many of you like to burn firecrackers? Festival time?
Yes.
Yes.
We all like to burn, but do you think is that good for our body?
No, no, ma'am.
The firecrackers, when we burn the firecrackers, what will happen, children?
Smoke will come.
Smoke will come out.
Definitely the smoke will come and it will spread, mix in the air, and our air will get polluted. Have you all understood? Can we watch a video of air pollution?
Yes,
Come on,
yes, ma'am. Yes,
let's
ma'am.
watch. Let's watch.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
watch the video. Air pollution. Wait, it's coming. Children, please wait. The video is coming. Yeah, you can watch the video. Sometimes air get filled with smoke and dust. The presence of such harmful substances in the air is called air pollution. Next video. Please wait. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and they release oxygen into the air, and they keep the air always fresh and clean. Oh, when we cut down the trees, see what happened? Yes, cutting off the trees. Ooh, we will not get fresh air. And see the burning of wood. Smoke released from the factories and industries. You can see how they create air pollution. See, from the vehicles. Cutting off trees, burning of wood, burning fossil fuels, smoke released from vehicles, released from factories and industries, create air pollution. Well, there are many deadly diseases we may got. Bronchitis, asthma, cancer, see? And some skin diseases too. Yeah, burning firecrackers. See? Air pollution also. Affect the growth of the plant also. It damaged your historical monuments. Reduce waste. Reduce air pollution. What all measures we have to do? Plant more trees, avoid bursting firecrackers, make more use of service your vehicles regularly. Old vehicles that also gives our smoke to the air, and that will also create air pollution. Okay. Factories and power plants we should keep away. Should not keep and set up in the residential area. Should keep it away. Have you all understood? Understood, children? What is air pollution? Okay. Substances which make our air dirty, the dirty or pollute the air are called
Air
pollutants.
pollution.
Air pollution, and which are the substances make the air dirty that we can call pollutants. Just anyway, we will continue the session by next day. Don't worry, we will learn it thoroughly. Now, do one thing. Our time is over. Say bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You
Thank
have
you,
to
ma'am.
read the lesson very well. You have to
Okay, ma'am.
read the lesson very well. Then you
Okay,
will
ma'am.
get all the points well.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Open the textbook, composition of air, and read the lesson. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Take care.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.